Good afternoon, everyone. I Balmiki, MSc Chemistry student from University Department of Chemistry, LNMU Darbhanga. I represent Enzyme Technology in Green Chemistry under the theme of Green Chemistry in Industry. Welcome to all participant volunteers on International Seminar on Green Chemistry 2024 under the chairmanship of Dr. Sunuram Shankar sir. Now we start this presentation. Green chemistry is highly effectively approach to prevention of environment, control industrial pollution, and for energy conservation, as it implies to innovative scientific approach to solve the real-world environmental situations. Enzyme used in the green chemistry as a catalyst that accelerates the chemical reaction without using harsh conditions and the chemicals. Enzyme are work on the triple R principle that stand for reduce, reuse, and recycle. These are three simple routines that can help the environment. So these are the introduction of enzyme technology in the green chemistry. The main purpose of green chemistry is to prevent and control the use of harmful chemical and hazardous chemical. Now it is possible with the help of enzyme. Enzyme green chemistry work on the 12 principle. The main aim to obtain the product with zero amount of byproduct, but it is impossible. First is the prevention, second atom economy, third less hazardous chemical synthesis, fourth designing safer chemical, five safer solution and elixirs, second six sodium design for the energy efficiency, seven use renewable feedstock, eight reduce derivatives, nine catalysis, 10 design for the degradation, 11 real time analysis for the pollution prevention, and 12 with the internally safer chemical for the accident preventions. Now these are the 12 principles that work in green chemistry, and they give better quality product with zero amount of byproduct, but looking less amount of byproduct is also obtained. So they are the renewable in the enzyme technology perspective. Now we start enzyme technology in green chemistry. Enzyme technology is one of the most important area of modern biotechnology and involve numerous disciplines of the natural science. Enzyme and enzyme catalyzed reaction have been used in the production, processing, and preservation of food, feed, and the other substances. These are natural catalysts that, like their conventional chemical counterpart, accelerate the chemical reaction without being consumed. These are non-toxic. They detoxify the various pollutants like pesticide, explosive, dye, polyaromatic hydrocarbon, plastics, and the heavy metals. Chemically, the enzyme are made from the protein and perform various specific properties because active site bind to substrate in a specific way. Enzyme have the two sides. One is the active site, and another is the allosteric sites. Active site are reactive. They combine with the substrate and form enzyme substrate complexes. As like enzyme and substrate fit together in much same manner as a key fit into the tumbler lock. जिस प्रकार हम लोग चाबी से ताले को बंद करते हैं, ठीक उसी प्रकार एंजाइम और सबस्ट्रेट एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लेक्स के रूप में बनाकर बंद कर लेता है और एंजाइम सबस्ट्रेट कॉम्प्लेक्स बना देता है, और इसी को हम लोग लॉक की कॉम्प्लेक्स भी कहते हैं. Globally, enzyme technology has a specific application including leather, textile, paper and pulp, household, cosmetic production, agriculture, environmental analysis in the productions of basic and fine chemical, pharmaceutical and the chemical industry, food processing industry, that is food supplement, beverage production, feed supplement, that is animal feed, additive production, manufacturing hub. Likewise, all the chemical, biological, industrial, and genetic engineering work cannot be carried out without the enzyme. ग्लोबली एंजाइम मार्केट में एंजाइम को दो प्रकार में बांटा है, नोवोजाइम और एक आ गया एबी एंजाइम बेस ड्यू पॉइंट डीएसएम, दैट इज क्लासिफाइड एप्लीकेशन एंजाइम इनटू द फोर पार्ट, अलग different part, that is feed production 17%, food production 29%, biofuel 15%, and technical application is to be 39%. Feed, that is animal feed, animal supplements, food production and food additive or beverage production, biofuels, that is used in the as a fuel. So they are the biofuel, that is alcohol is used. With the help of alcohol we can accelerate the any process with zero amount of byproduct. A Novozyme division in which the household care and technical 41%, agriculture and bioenergy 33%, and biofood beverage 26%. In India, 52% pollution is caused by the industrial pollution. They have negative impact on the environment, sustainability, and human health sustainability. To avoid control industrial pollution, enzyme technology being used, they give fine product with less amount of byproduct. In more recent time, enzyme as a product of biotechnology have been an integrated part of our everyday life. In industrial applications of enzyme has the many industrial applications to control the pollution and save energy consumption. For the other aim, enzyme are used in the chemical and the other industry. फूड इंडस्ट्री की अगर अब बात हम करते हैं, द मेनी केमिकल्स आर यूज्ड इन द फूड इंडस्ट्री, दैट इज सोडियम बेंजोएट, सोडियम नाइट्रेट, कैल्शियम प्रोपिनेट एंड एंटीऑक्सीडेंट. इट may increase the risk of heart disease, but when enzyme are used in the food industry, they improve the quality of food, increase the nutritional value and easily preserve. It also extended the shelf life of the food and they are better for the health. That is amylase, alpha amylase. This enzyme break down the starch which improve the taste and nutritional value in the food. Glucose oxidase, this enzyme improve the flavor and the shelf life of food. Lysozyme catalase, superoxide dismutase, zymase also used in the food industry, and they are better for the health. Their safety, health or nutritional amount is to be present in highly amount as a compared to the other chemicals. The chemicals are also used in the food industry as a preservation, but on the chemical place we use the enzyme, then their productions and the preservations are highly increased, nutritional value are also increased. Amylase. Paper and pulp industry. In paper and pulp industry, many chemicals, that is sodium sulfide, sodium hydroxide, chlorine, and the sulfuric acid used for the bleaching and the dyeing of paper. They create water pollution, air pollution, and soil pollution. Discarded paper and paperboard account for 26% of the solid municipal waste in the landfill sites. Xylenase, lacase, and manganese are used to bleach the wood pulp without being using the chlorine. जहाँ हम लोग क्लोरीन का उपयोग वुड पल्प को हम लोग ब्लीच करने में करते हैं, वहाँ अगर हम लोग इन एंजाइमों का उपयोग करते हैं, दैट इज जैलानेज, मैनेज और लैकेज, तो यह हम लोग को बेटर क्वालिटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट भी देगा और लोअर कॉस्ट में भी हो जाएगा और यह रिड्यूस वाटर लॉस भी लोड भी करेगा. Cement industry emit large amount of carbon dioxide to making 1 kilogram cement, which ended 1 kilogram of the CO2 into the atmosphere. In cement industry, usage chemical have the negative impact on the environment and the human health. Enzyme used, that is urea and carbonic anhydride, can help to reduce these impacts. सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री सबसे ज़्यादा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस करता है. अगर सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री में जो यूरेज एडेड कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का हम लोग यूज करते हैं तो बेटर क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट भी देगा विथ जीरो अमाउंट ऑफ बाई प्रोडक्ट एंड दे आर लेस हार्मफुल. Textile and fashion industry. The chemicals are used in the fashion and textile industry such as the calcium oxychloride, hydrogen peroxide, and reactive dye. For the bleaching and dyeing purpose, they are responsible for the 10% of the global carbon emission and second largest consumer of world water. Amylase, catalase, lacase, pectinase, glucose oxidase are environmentally friendly and reduce the consumption of water. Benefit of using enzyme technology in the green chemistry. Enzyme technology has the many benefits in the green chemistry, including the reduced environmental impact, improve the quality product, lower manufacturing cost, reduce energy consumption, reduce process of time, reaction are very easy to control. It is work on the triple R principle that stand for reduce, reuse, and recycle. These are simple routines that can help the environment. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Enzyme are work on the triple R concept that stand for reduce, reuse, and recycle. Conclusion. Green chemistry procedure can minimize the waste material, maintaining the atom economy and prevent the use of harmful chemical. Enzymatic reaction are being better financial and ecological alternative and more environmentally friendly. The success of the green chemistry enzyme technology depends on the good quality of education, training of new generation of the chemists. So it is necessary at all level of the chemical education to make this new generation familiar with the new green aspect of the chemistry, aiming for the environmental productions. reference. All the informations are obtained from the different sites, books. Now we can include this, generally three sites from we can obtain this information. So these are the very interesting topic, and this topic and these units are to be also read in the semester third MSc, that is enzyme and coenzyme. So these two chapters are we complete in class notes under the uh, uh, Dr. Sonuram Shankar sir. So these are the very interesting and careful knowledge for the protections of our environment and environmental sustainability, maintain the human health. Now we conclude this session with a few poets that we can say that they are not personally comments, they are the better for our environment, and in which the pictures is to be also taken. So these are the very interesting. Now we can read. शक्ल ऐसी भी नहीं है कि छुपाई जाए, एक ही तस्वीर है किस किस को दिखाई जाए. Control greenhouse gas emission, save environment, save world. Now thank you to all of you. Thank you.